Hi, this is Michael Trefel and Beck.
Hello.
With the Trefel Group, and today we wanted to follow up on some of our prior conversations and talk about how to look at the market later on and how rates are going to affect your selling price and purchasing power if you're a buyer, right? So if you're thinking about selling your home anytime in the next 6 months to a year, you really need to think about the fact that rates continue to go up. And I know we're at historic lows, so I get a lot of pushback on that, saying, well, rates are still near all-time lows. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. We acknowledge that and understand. However, think about it this way. We went from around 4% to just over 5% in interest rates right now on mortgages. And 1% increase in rates is something like 10% decline in the purchasing power for people, and that effectively is about 10%, could be up to 10% decline in the sales price of the home, because less people are able to afford them. So if you're thinking about selling, maybe now is the time to really reconsider maybe putting it on the market right now rather than waiting till spring, because the Fed is still talking about raising rates farther. The economy is strong and continues to be so, so that will confirm and help them raise rates again, and that will put farther pressure on pricing both for your sales price, and it's going to be less people who can actually afford your home.
And there may be more competition in the spring as well, which will lower your necessary sale.
Yes, exactly. And we're starting to see a little bit now, after kind of a lull in the summertime of new listings coming up, listing inventory is starting to climb up as well. Not all of it is being sold. That goes hand in hand with some of our prior conversations with creating the right marketing around your property, taking pictures now if you're going to put it on the market in a few months when it's going to be winter time on, and really having the best exposure and the best agents and the best team surrounding you in order to get your home sold. But if we come back to rates, what are you seeing from buyers in the conversations with, if we talked to some people 6 months ago and rates were, low 4s, and now they're saying they're 5.
Right. It affects them. It affects their mindset. It affects their buying power. They don't want to pay more. Their interest rates are going up. They can't pay more. Right. It can affect how much money they put down. It affects the rates and maybe even points if they have to get points if they want to go that route.
Yeah, we haven't talked about points in a long time, and now I hear more and more from our lenders and from our partners saying that maybe a point or so is a good thing to do because they expect rates to go up, and then this way it keeps them down. Something to consider when you're thinking about selling your home. And we obviously want you to have the best experience and the best service, so we want to bring this to you early on. So when you're thinking about selling in the next year, next 6 months, 7 months, whatever it is on the other side of winter, we don't actually know what that market will look like. We do know that in a strong economy and the Fed continuing to raise, that's probably the trend that will continue, and rates will likely go into the 5s and higher. Maybe not the environment that's going to support the best sales price. Right now, though, there are plenty of demand on the market, and that might be the perfect time for you to sell that home and talk to us. So if you're thinking about selling and you want the best exposure and you want to have a conversation of what the market looks like, what your home is worth on the market is right now, call us, email us, reach out to us at the Trefel Group. You can reach us at thetrefelgroup.com and contact myself or Beck. We'll be happy to answer all of your questions and help you get the best exposure and sell your home at the best possible price and at the quickest amount of time.
That's right.
Until next time.
See ya.
If you like what you heard, here's what I want you to do next. Reach out to the Trefel Group at trefelgroup.com or on Facebook, and we'll be happy to help with all of your real estate needs. If you're thinking about buying, selling, investing, or even working in real estate, reach out to us and we'll have a conversation and get you on the way to success.